All right. So if you're here for this extraneous solutions part, you just finished this video, hopefully, where we're solving for our two solutions here in our case here of x equals 2 and x equals 9 from our example problem. So now step 4 says to check for extraneous solutions. So let's go ahead and go to another page. So so the first thing we have is I have x plus 7 square root equals x minus 5, and we solved it out and we had these two solutions here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is for this is take each of these and set it equal to in my calculator. These two numbers are going to play a part to see which one's is a solution and which one is not. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to pull up my calculator and kind of have it sit in here so it's easier to see. I'm going to go to my y equals. Okay, so if you try to do it this way, it's really hard to kind of figure out the solutions with these two parts. So what I'm going to do is a different format. I'm going to do one side of x plus 7. Make sure it's inside the square root. That's that first left side. And then the other side was x minus 5. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to basically take a look and graph. Now, wherever these two sides meet, this little intersecting point, that's going to be our solution. If you notice, it kind of looks like it's going like 9 and 2 or somewhere around there. But what we want to look at is the table. So I'm going to do second table. Now, these two numbers are going to play a part. So I'm looking for when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 9. So I'm going to go up to those two numbers. Let's go with 2 first. Too far. Okay. Now, when I get to 2, you're going to take a look at your two y's and see, are they equal? So, not positive 2, my bad. So at positive 2, I have one solution is at 3 and one is at negative 3. So since these are not the same, that's not going to be our solution. So this is going to be considered our extraneous solution. Okay, and now I'm going to take a look at that positive 9. Now, if you take a look, are they the same value, 4 and 4? Yes. So what that tells you is this is going to be our solution here. So this 9 here is our solution, and this one does work. So x equals 9. Okay, and that's pretty much what you guys have to do to check it with your calculator. Now, the other option is this. This is the technology way. If I want to basically just substitute it back in, just to give you an idea, I can take my 2 and substitute it back in. So that's 2 plus 7. I'm taking this 2 and replacing the x, taking this x also and replacing it with 2. And here's what you'll notice. When I do 2 plus 7, well, that's 9. 2 minus 3, or 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. The square root of 9 is a positive 3. And this side has a negative 3. So is 3 equal to a negative 3? And the answer is no. So that's what makes this extraneous. If I take a look at the other one, and I substitute it in, I have 9 taking place of the x plus 7 equals 9 minus 5. Well, here's what's going to happen. So 9 plus 7, well, I get 16. 9 minus 5, well, I get 4. If I take the square root of 16, I get 4. And this I already had a 4. So it's 4 equal to 4. And that one works. And that's basically how you're going to prove it. So you can either do it by hand like this, or you can type in the calculator and find the ones that match. Okay? And that's pretty much it.